In this tutorial, we will be diving into the world of Node.js JavaScript programming, focusing on the concept of declaring functions with parameters and passing arguments to them. In the code above, name is a parameter. A parameter is a variable that we use in the function declaration to represent the input that the function will take. John here is an argument. An argument is the actual value that we pass to the function when we call it. So, in this case, we are passing the string John as an argument to the greet function. As you can see, the function takes in the string John as an argument, replaces the parameter name with John, and then logs the message hello John. Now, let's demonstrate a function with multiple parameters. Here, num1 and num2 are parameters, while 5 and 3 are the arguments that we are passing to the add function. The function add takes in the arguments 5 and 3, replaces the parameters num1 and num2 with these arguments, adds them together, and logs the result, which is 8. And that's it. You've learned how to declare functions with parameters and pass arguments to them in Node.js JavaScript. Keep practicing, and remember, the best way to learn programming is by writing code. Thanks for watching and happy coding.